Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, we are given a right triangle, and a quarter circle inscribed in it, as shown in the figure. The quarter circle is tangential to the hypotenuse of the triangle at D. If AD is given as 2 units, DC as 9 units, and MN as x, find the value of x. Before we proceed, please give this video thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try and tell us your answer in the comments section, thanks. To solve this problem, first let's take the radius of the quarter circle as y. It follows that MB is y. And BN is also y. Next, let's join BD with a straight line. Observe that BD is the radius of the quarter circle. So, let's call it y. Also, observe that BD is an altitude relative to side AC of the right triangle. Going further, let's recall the similar right triangles theorem. It states that if an altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. From this theorem, it follows that triangle BDA is similar to triangle CDB, and the proportionality of their corresponding sides is AD over BD is equal to BD over DC. AD is equal to 2. BD is equal to y. DC is equal to 9. If we plug in these values in the above expression, we will have 2 over y is equal to y over 9. By cross multiplication, we will have y times y is equal to 2 times 9. Y times y is y squared. And 2 times 9 is 18. Taking the square root of both sides will give us y is equal to 3 root 2. Now, to find MN, let's focus on triangle MBN. Triangle MBN is a right triangle. From Pythagoras' theorem, MN squared is equal to MB squared plus BN squared. MB is equal to BN, which is 3 root 2. If we plug in this value in the above expression, we will have MN squared is equal to 3 root 2 squared plus 3 root 2 squared. 3 root 2 squared is 18. And 18 plus 18 is 36. So, MN squared is equal to 36. Taking the square root of both sides will give us MN is equal to 6. Hence, x is equal to 6 units. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.